שלום עליכם, شأنة براجع Assyrian dishes. أنا شمي Julian. Edu Italy special guest go Kitchen D, the famous Assyrian singing legend, Linda George. Welcome, Linda. It's an honor to have you here with us.
Thank you so much, Esther Juliana. You're an amazing wife, amazing mother. I'm so honored to be here.
For someone who's traveling around the world performing, I'd like to know what's your favorite dish to make when you're at home?
To be at home, it's always the best food you can provide for yourself and your body, seriously. So detoxifying from the junk food that sometimes we are so exposed to, whether you travel or you're just working in a city, I like my salmon with prepared, very easily done. You guys will watch it. It's done with fresh ginger and then low sodium soy sauce.
That sounds delicious. Let's start cooking.
So these are the ingredients to make this lovely dish, one of my favorite dishes, so easy. Half a fillet of salmon, and you have low sodium soy sauce. And of course, you can see my favorite also, ginger, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, and olive oil. Here are the ingredients for the algae quick and easy salad. Of course, you have arugula, my favorite, Persian cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, half a lemon, apple cider vinegar, sumac, and of course mint. So this is how the meal should look like. So let's give it a try.
Truly is so good.
Thank you.
Yum.
Wow, thank you.
That's one recipe I'm going to try for my
None for the cameraman, huh? Thank you. Thank you so much. Coming from you, wow. I'm a singer. I'm not a chef like you.
Beautifully marinated with the soy sauce. Tastes
Easy,
good.
short, takes less time, so.
If you would like to get this recipe, visit my website at assyriandishes.com and remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Linda has a newly released 20th album, which is called Lela Khteeta. What was your inspiration for this album, Linda?
Of course, it has various songs and different feels, just like the one dedicated to my mom and special mothers out there, Mama Joza, and all these beautiful mothers that are in the nursing home of Iraq and in Ankawa, and all the beautiful mothers around the world. And Lela Khteeta, of course, it's a song. It's about love. It's truly written from the heart, and now every woman out there is feeling for it. That love is really pure. Love is not. It's not magic. It's just Lela Khteeta. It is a genuine feeling that is from within the heart and the soul. So yeah, so that's all. That's what it really inspired me. And the rest of the songs, of course, they're like about the Assyrian New Year's Eve and all these different folkloric, beautiful songs here and there, dance songs.
Yeah, I noticed there are 10 songs on this album. Which one is your favorite?
Lela Khteeta is my favorite because I composed it, and then of course there are beautiful, beautiful songs in there. I mean, there are songs like the Yimma song. There is Tapku, which is composed by the amazing artist, singer Talal Gresh, and then and of course it's written by Oraham Lazar, and then Nani Yukhana written many beautiful songs as well, and Jaji Nebelatha is written by a writer of 30 years, Shamwan Kana. So, and then Zmarted Yemma, it's written by the amazing producer, director, scholar, John Home. So, I mean, they're all different, they vary here and there, and also Zmarted Lederan, a lot of women are liking it, a lot of female people, and especially artists as well. And that's written by Babit Shrara. So, I hope you guys like it.
And where can they purchase this album, Linda?
iTunes is the easiest one because we cannot distribute it worldwide and globally, and then also Spotify, and then some Assyrian stores. If you have Assyrian stores, yeah, sure, why not?
Grab your album today. Check out the link in the description box for your online purchase.
Thank you so much, Jillian, and please support this phenomenal lady. This is amazing. All these young couples, they really should pick up all these great ideas from your dishes.
Great to have Linda on our show, and she's been the biggest supporter. Go check out her album. If you haven't already done so, go buy it now.
Happy cooking, everyone!